Hello friends, welcomes to my channel. First, first you must be knowing of the forms of commercial organization, that is sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, and these are important forms of organization. So already sole proprietorship and partnership you might have finished, and now we shall study joint stock company. What is joint stock company? Before know and what is joint stock company, that in order to know how it is evaluated, and in these forms of organization you must have across, in case of the sole proprietorship and partnership form of the organization, it has got of limited resources, unlimited liability and instability. There is a lack of skills or efficiency, that is called actually managerial inefficiency, and here limited resources or limited in operation. All these of the drawbacks, in order to overcome this form of joint stock company evaluated, and it has got of the historical background, and which is after the industrial revolution in Europe. First it was started in England, that is under the Monarchy Act, or that is known as a Babel's Act in year 1829, and this is in order to create of the large operation, and it has got of the what is that capital formation, to increase capital formation or the large size of the production or large scale production. In order to success, this was started. Gradually it is became as a under 1872 Contract Act, and finally when it got to India under the 1956 Parliamentary Act, it was approved, and this was earlier also was operating, but now it has got of the approval of under 1956 Act, not under the Foreign Act. So this is became as a historical background and the evaluation of joint stock company. Now this joint stock company, it has got of the important advance of the modern emerging commercial structure. Joint stock company existed to overcome the only the limitations of the Partnership Act, as well as sole proprietorship, and this form of organization helps to us. It has got of the created separate legal entity, separate legal entity to run the joint stock company. Now question is arises, so here of all of the limitations of the limitations of the sole proprietorship and in case of the partnership was removed. Now this joint stock company, what is the joint stock company, and now we shall define. Here given of the definition, before go through the definition, one of the traditional definition shall I explain you. Joint stock company is a form of organization, it is artificial person created by law, having separate legal entity with perpetual succession, having common seal and ownership under the condition of membership. this definition, it was became as a earlier modified, and earlier it was joint stock company is a artificial person separate legal entity having capital divided into number of transferable shares. Number of transferable shares, whatever the capital it has got, that is a dividing into the number of transferable shares. Those shares are became only under the membership and managerial experts. It has got of the managerial efficiency, separate legal entity. The law is become running, and this is operated by law. And even if also what we are saying, the birth of joint stock company is incorporated, or birth of the joint stock company operated by law, and even if also winding up or death of the joint stock company, also the separate legal entity is there, that is become as a liquidation. So it will ends with law. So here we can say the joint stock company is a form of organization which it is became separately. First is became artificial person, there is a no real person or ownership. Second thing, separate legal entity or created by law. Perpetual succession, it is a permanent in nature, having a common seal. What the common seal means? Under the seal, the name of the company, each and every person going to operated, those are those person who are operating, they are called managerial person. Only ownership here separate. Ownership is only under the condition of membership. So this joint stock company, what is that? Having capital divided into number of transferable shares, what I spoke first, that is became shares are became investing for the purpose of investor with the view of common profit, or they are getting of the dividends, but they are not became as a managerial persons. Even if also this perpetual succession, shareholders may come or shareholders may go, but joint stock company is a permanent in nature. This joint stock company I have defined, and in case of we go very deep, that is become a section 2 and subsection 20 Joint Stock Companies Act 2013 defined joint stock company artificial entity which is incorporated under the act of previous law is saying, that is 1956. So these up to here I have discussed of the meaning and the definition. I explained elaborately. Next, my upload characteristics or the main features. At a time I don't want to continue, it is a difficulty to memorize. So the first, if you are liking of my video, just give likes. Next, subscribe and button on of the bell and notification. You will continuously will get my uploads. And other than this, any of the commerce, regarding of the commerce details, my uploads regularly will come, and that is only I need your cooperation, subscription. Okay, wait for my uploads.